Welcome to ACE BECE, your ultimate destination for mastering the BECE exams and unlocking your academic potential.
Are you among the many who struggle to understand the new curriculum?
Does these computing topics intimidate you?
Algorithm,
Programming,
flowcharts,
Microsoft Excel,
components of computers,
information security,
Or you have a challenge with?
maths,
science.
English.
Then this is your moment.
ACE BECE is packed with comprehensive videos on study strategies, exam tips, and expert breakdowns of tough concepts.
We dive deep into the syllabus, uncovering the core points and translating them into easy-to-understand lessons. Our comprehensive videos and teaching techniques are designed to help you learn smarter, not just harder.
You will gain the confidence and expertise to tackle even the most daunting topics, ensuring your success in the BECE exams and beyond.
We are calling on everyone, whether you are
A student,
Teacher,
director,
administrator,
or parent.
To join us as we explore effective study tips, practical exam strategies, and secrets to answering those tricky questions. With our expert guidance, you'll be well equipped to tackle the BECE exams with confidence.
With ACE BECE, you'll have all the tools you need to unlock your academic potential and achieve BECE brilliance.
Together, let's turn the BECE journey into a story of success.
Subscribe to ACE BECE on YouTube today and start your journey towards academic success. Let's ace the BECE exams together.
ACE BECE. Learn smart, succeed strong.